Guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for clicking on the video. Today we're going to be trying out new brushes. These brushes are a little bit different, so we are going to be trying out these Ecotools interchangeable brushes. I got all three of them. So this one here is the Wake Up and Glow. So basically you get 5 heads for all skincare and beauty needs. So this is it here. I probably would use 1 or 2 of these. I think these 2 here are for skincare, but I'll open it up and I'll show you guys what it look like. So this one here, Daily Essential Total Face Kit. So you get a foundation brush, contour brush, and this one is just do your brows, but I already did my brows, so I'm not going to use that. And we have the eye kit. So we get the eye kit, we get the face, and we get the Wake Up and Glow. Basically you get some skincare products in here if you want to use it. Now I really do like this concept of this makeup brushes. Makeup brushes, you need it for different steps. So this is really good for traveling, and I definitely will travel with this when I have to travel again. Now you could get this on the Ulta website and Amazon. I got this from Amazon because it's a little bit more cheaper on Amazon. I have a storefront. If you guys want to purchase from that link, I would have it down below. If this is your first time here, my name is Shannon. Thank you so much for clicking on the video, and also subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and also share the video. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. So these are the interchangeable eye kit. So you get 7 pieces. So I really do like this concept. It's just really cool. So all you do, you just, you know, whatever brush that you want to use, you could just stick it in there and use the brush. This one here, this is for the brows. Let me just stick that out. This one, I guess you could, you know, blend your eyeshadows with this one. I really do like this for traveling. It's just a little sturdy. Okay, so let me just open these real quick. So these here are the green brush here. So this goes with the green handle, and the spoolie, the concealer, and the angle crease brush is for the blue. Very simple. So you also get skincare tools in this one here. This is a Wake Up and Glow. So only get the blue head in this one. Let me just show you guys how this one works. So this is the green handle brush. So all you do is just like take it off, and you replace it with another brush that has the green handle, and you just snap it in there and you just use it. Now these brushes are pretty soft. This is a contour brush. It's like really soft. I really don't like brushes that too soft. I like brushes to have a little dense in it, but this is pretty soft. Hopefully it don't poke my skin, but I will let you guys know when I'm using it. So let's just go with this brush and see. I'm not gonna put any more of the foundation. I am liking this brush. It's not hard on the skin or anything. It's just like really soft. If you don't feel the bristle. And I'm apologizing now if you're hearing that clicking in my jaw. I'm really sorry. This brush blends really nice. The handle is very sturdy, kind of soaking up the product a little bit, but all makeup brushes does that. This is really good if you're traveling. You could just carry 1 set of brushes, knowing that you could change it. That is like really clever. So now we're gonna conceal the face. I'm gonna be using Rare Beauty concealer. This is the shade 4050 Neutral. I'm just gonna take a little bit and put it here. That's the amount that I'm gonna put. Girl, I'm sweating so bad, it's hot. Okay, so this one here is a concealer brush. So we're gonna take this one right here and put it in here, and this is so I don't know who came up with this, but this is such a great idea. Now I never use this type of brush under my eyes, but let's just see how it blends, like really small, you know, all over there. I'm not really a fan of using brushes like this, you know, for concealer. I prefer to use like a sponge. Try to see how it blends out. This is actually blending out really nice. I probably would just spray the product and then use a sponge because if you guys see it leaving that streaks on the face. That's why I don't really like using this type of brushes. You see, this is just good to apply the product. I'm gonna use the angle brush. Okay, let's just see if this one blend out the product better. I honestly don't want to use any other things. I just want to see how all the products works on their own. And usually I will use a sponge for this step, but we're just gonna go with whatever we have. You could just use the brushes however you want, but I'm trying to go with whatever they have on the packaging so I could show you guys step by step. Okay, I think I will have to open this one because I need this brush right here. Okay, I don't experience any shedding with this one. I want to see if it's gonna work with this. I think any one of them is just gonna pop it in. Okay, so I'm gonna use this to pack on my my loose powder under my eyes. I'm gonna take it out and put that here. I'm gonna see if it picks up the product really good, which it does. Okay, so let me just press that in. Oh, these brushes are perfect. They are really smooth on the skin though. I mean, if you want quality brush, Ecotools brushes are really good. I don't know if you guys ever use them, but this brush, I love it. Very, very soft under my eyes, and it blend out the product really good. I think I put a little bit too much under the eyes, but that's okay. Let me just set that really quick before it creases. It's soft, but you have control. It's not like moving all over the place. You see that? And the only thing I don't like is soak up the product a little bit too much for me. Okay, so this is the amount that I'm gonna put. You see how, you know, my face changed all of a sudden? And it picks up a lot of the product, so it's best to just have some of the product on your hand, so you know you're not going to put too much on the face, but it works pretty good. I'm just trying to put a little bit on the nose because I sweat a lot on my nose. Summertime, girl, summertime. Look at this. This is really pretty, as you guys can see. This is the prep brush. I just want to show you guys how this one looks. I'm going to use this for contouring because I don't have like another brush for the full face. So I'm just going to tap that in, and I think this is big enough to use as contour. So it says prep brush head. I don't know what this brush is for. I never seen a brush like this, so I'm just going to use it however I want because I'm trying to use all the brushes so you guys can see how they blend. Like honestly, this is a must-have set, all three of them. Just get it. This is very sturdy. This is the only brush in the set for now that is sturdy. Like you pack on the product really nice. I'm just gonna take the rest and put here. Okay, let me see if you could turn it and it clip. No, it's just a snap. It just snap like that because I feel like it's moving a little bit. Maybe I didn't snap it too well, but I did. But it kind of moving a little bit, but it's not like coming off. So I don't know. But this brush, I like it. It pack on the product really good, and it blend out really good as well. We're gonna use our contouring brush. Yeah, this is pretty soft as well. I'm not experiencing any shedding. So this is the angle brush, but I'm just gonna use it all over the face today, girl, because we don't have much to use. And I'm using this L'Oreal all over the face. And I'm also gonna take it down right there. And this brush is a little soft. It's not my cup of tea, but it's doing what it's supposed to do. Blend, okay? It's like everything is looking really nice. We're gonna use blush today. I'm gonna just clean this off. I have this Jack Cat brush stuff that I use to clean my brushes. And that's the only way I could just use all of the brushes and not use something else. So I'm not experiencing any shedding when I do this. Perfect, love it. Okay, so we're gonna use the City Color matte blush. Just take a little bit and put there. I think I put too much as always, but girl, I think I have too much blush on. Sometimes I overdo it. So let me just clean that off and blend. As you guys can see how soft this brush is. Like it's really good. I'm not gonna do too much with these brushes, but with the eye kit brushes, you get a lot of those brushes to use. So I'm gonna use a few of them. I'm only gonna use one color. It's too hot. I can't be sitting here doing makeup today with all this heat in my face. Okay, so this here is a flat eyeshadow brush. Snap that in. And I'm gonna take that same bronzer. I'm gonna take that same bronzer and I'm just gonna pack it on, girl. Let's see how it blend out. Now I don't have any concealer or anything on my lid. This is just bare skin. And let's just pack that on. The only thing I don't like about these brushes, they pick up a lot of the product. So you would have to be very careful how much product you're putting in. You guys see, I have to like make sure I dust it off. You see under here, let me just dust that off under the eyes before it's sink into the skin because I'm sweating right now. Okay, let me just pack that on now. This is packing on the product really good. It's really soft on my lid. I have sensitive skin, so this works really nice for my skin. I really don't want to break out because I didn't wash the brushes. That's the only concern that I have right now, but hopefully I don't. So we have two of these brushes here we could use. We could use the base shadow or we could use the blending crease. I think I will use the blending crease maybe for like in the corner here to blend. I just want to like try all of them. I don't really need to do this, but let me just pick up some of that product and blend. I don't have a lot of that eyeshadow in the corner here. I'm just doing it because I want you guys to see. Now this is a little bit soft for my liking. I just like brushes that have a little dense to it, but this is blending out really nice. You guys can see this right here. I just want it to be a little dark on the corner. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just thinking that, yeah, I love it. I'm gonna blend out a little more with the other brush. Okay, let me just do this on this side. I'm gonna take some of that bronzer and I'm just gonna bring it down here just to smoke out in the bottom. Okay, nice. I love it. All right, so let's just change it. And then we're gonna snap on the base shadow. It's like a, you know, have a little dense to it. And I'm just gonna blend all over. But if you have smaller eyes, you could use the smaller eyeshadows, but I don't really need to use them. Okay, I think I don't know if it's me, but I feel like I'm missing something. I'm just gonna go in with my Sephora mascara today. I'm just gonna put a little bit there. I'm not putting no lashes on, girl. I cannot do lashes right now. I'm too hot. So I'm just gonna put some of that right there. So I really do like this makeup brush sets. They are really good. I just wish they were a little bit more sturdy, but they blend out really nice. The one that I really like that I use, this one here, this is the Prep brush. This is the only sturdy brush that has a little bit more density than the other brushes. The others are a little bit too soft for me, but this is just my personal opinion. But I like the concept of this brush where you could change the cover. You don't have to bring so many brush wherever you're going, okay? Especially travel. This is so good for traveling. And if you are someone that gonna travel in the future or traveling right now, get the brush set. You also could pick up another set for skincare. Okay, these are really good. I really like this to change the cover instead of bringing all this makeup, and it takes up a lot of space. So this works pretty good. I use most of the brushes. Okay, these are all the brushes that I use. I just didn't use the small sets. Okay, these are the ones that I didn't use, but I'm gonna use the others, maybe, you know, to use on the brows. I think they are a little bit more smaller for the brows, like this one, but they are really cute. Like, let me just change this one and put this one here. Like, they are really good for the brows. Usually I don't use this type of things for my brows. I use a thicker brush. So if you're gonna get them, I would recommend getting them on the Amazon website. It's a little bit more cheaper, but if you don't care about the price and you got the money, buy it on the Ulta website. You could buy them separate if you want, but I recommend you buy the set. It's just a little bit more cheaper. These are really new on the market right now, so let me know in the comments below if you're gonna try it out. And girl, just get it. Don't even think about it. Just get the brush. Okay, to my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for clicking on the video, and if you are new here, hit that notification bell so when I upload videos you will be notified. To my OGs, thank you guys so much. We're still on that goal, girl. We're still on that goal, so make sure you guys share the video. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you guys so much. See you in the next video. Bye guys.